Oh right, now in the previous video I showed you guys how to set up OBS for recording. Now I'm going to show you how to set up OBS for streaming. First of all, you need to download some couple of things, so let's give it a look. After we've downloaded SE Live, we install it, we connect it to our OBS, we'll get a dock like this one. It will usually be here at the bottom right corner, your dock. Now what you are doing, you set up your streams. First of all, you go into settings, you go into stream, you choose service, custom server. That is the YouTube live server. I will show you where did I get that. Your stream key, I will show you where do you get your stream key. All of that things. Okay. Output, you go to streaming. We changed these in a previous video, so go check out those videos to stay step by step, side by side with us, and you don't get lost somewhere. Streaming, you choose streaming. Streaming settings, audio track is 1. These settings you can keep as is. I'm not telling you nonsense. I'm not trying to bull you. The birth rate is the thing. Twitch and I think YouTube as well is having a max setting of 6,000 kilobytes per second. Play with it a little bit so you get that sweet spot and your streams don't lag or you don't get stutter or everything. Key intervals I set to naught. Preset P5 slow, it's for good quality. Tuning low latency. Multipass mode 2 passes quarter resolution. I explained that in the previous video, so go give it a look. Profile you should set to high. Look ahead, adaptive quantization. B-frames I set to 2. Then I leave it at that. That is everything you need for your stream. If you go into your stream will sweet, very nice. To get back to these settings, I'll show you where do you get these settings actually. If you go to your YouTube channel, this is your YouTube channel, you'll see this 3 buttons here at the top. You click go live. In the go live section, you'll see this default stream key, stream key. You don't show your stream key to anybody. Never, ever. You click copy, you paste your stream key. Stream URL, you copy this. You go back into OBS, you paste it here. That's your server. Your stream key is what I just showed you. Where do you get your stream key? You click apply, okay, you hit that start streaming, blah blah blah. Now for the piece of resistance. If you want to go and stream on Twitch, you will get the stream elements multi-streaming dock here at the bottom right. That is when you have downloaded SE Live and set it up with OBS correctly. If you want to go and stream on Twitch, you just click plus, you click Twitch, you log in with your Twitch details, it will surely put your stream on Twitch. If you want to stream on TikTok, you click plus, you click TikTok, log into TikTok. TikTok is a little bit otherwise because if you want to stream live on TikTok, TikTok will ask you to register to stream live. And then you get a 14-day like a period where they monitor you and like a probation period or something. And then after that, if you didn't get caught on shit on your lives or you performed well, they will say you can stream live indefinitely. You don't need to reapply for your stream key. You'll get your stream key there as well. So if you go into the settings of TikTok, you will see this again. All of this. The outputs. If your outputs are set up, let me explain this. If you go into your settings on OBS and you have set up your OBS for recording as well as streaming, like I showed you how, and you go in here, you just have to click audio tracks, Same as OBS. You don't even need to change anything. Broadcast settings. This is only for when you are going live. You need to put in these, what you are streaming. Everything is set up for streaming now. So if you hit that start streaming button, everything will stream to everywhere you chose to stream. If you choose TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, this first one, I know you are thinking, no, but you didn't highlight these. It's fine. It will stream to YouTube, this one, because this is the default streaming platform I chose. I chose YouTube as my default, so it will automatically stream to YouTube. Other than that, if I don't want to stream to Twitch, I just click this one. I don't stream to Twitch. If I don't want to stream TikTok, I click this one. Don't stream to TikTok. In order for you to stream to Twitch, I explained, you just need to log into your Twitch account, authorize so that they can use your details or your setup as a streaming platform, OBS and whatnot, connect it. You're good to go. The other thing I want to explain, Caster Labs. You have downloaded Caster Labs. Okay, so the first time when you open Caster Labs, mine will look different from yours because I already set it up. First of all, you go into settings, you click accounts. All these, like YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Kick, you connect them. Those that you want to stream to. Remember, everybody is having their own preference. I just use Twitch, YouTube and TikTok. Then you connect them here. The same as SE Live. You connect your streaming accounts to Caster Labs. If you go to your dashboard again, you will see here. If you click all, now every chat comes through Caster Labs. You choose Docs, Stream Chat. You copy this link. Now you go into OBS. You say add browser source. Name it chats. Okay. Now, if you delete this here and you put in paste, now you get like a chat box in OBS. You can have that chat box with you on OBS if you like. If you don't, just hide it here. Each and every chat that is sent from Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, it will come through this chat box. But also, you go to custom browser docs, chats, you copy that link we copied there by Caster Labs. This link, you go and paste it in here. Just create a new doc. You call it chats, you copy it here, apply, boom, you have this chat doc. Good to go. Just click here, all, then all your chats, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, the ones I'm using, is coming through that chat box. If I send a message here, away, and send, boom, it goes to YouTube, it goes to TikTok, it goes to Twitch. Everybody is getting my message. You know what I'm saying? That is setting you up for streaming the easy way. What you do with your screen, how your screen presents itself to your viewers and your fans, that's all up to you. What you do with your screen, that's all up to you. But in the meantime, stay cool. Happy streaming.